Interesting psychological facts about women, love, and human psychology. Orgasms can lower a woman's risk of heart disease, stroke, breast cancer, and depression. Psychology says that listening to 5 to 10 songs a day can improve memory, strengthen the immune system, and reduce depression risk by 80%. The testes increase by 50% in size when a man is aroused. A study shows that using lube makes orgasm 30% easier. Studies have shown that sex is a great, all-natural cure for headaches. Orgasms trigger hormones that help increase your pain threshold. According to one study, 40% of men keep their eyes open when kissing, while only 3% of women do. Men are more attracted to women with self-confidence and those who feel good about themselves. Women are more attracted to men who pay attention to them and remember every little detail about them without being reminded. When you kiss someone passionately, their DNA will stay in your mouth for at least an hour. Ejaculated sperm survives only for a few hours outside the body, but once it enters a woman's vagina and makes its way up to her cervical mucus, it can live for up to 5 days. According to psychology, sperm can travel up to 7 inches in an hour's time. Men who ejaculated at least 5 times a week, whether through sex or masturbation, were less likely to get prostate cancer. A woman only argues more with someone they truly love. Arguing less means that they are less interested in you. If a woman takes your dick in her mouth, it means she is happier than with penetrative vaginal intercourse. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. Peeing after having sex prevents you from catching urinary tract infections. Research shows that women are generally attracted to wealthy men over handsome ones. This is because humans are genetically wired to prefer comfort or stability over appearance. If a woman finds a man attractive, she will unconsciously fidget or smoothen her clothes while talking to him. Positive reinforcement is more effective than punishment as a disciplinary measure. Money spent on experiences will always hold greater value. According to research, we are more likely to remember something if you say it out loud. The impulse to ejaculate comes from the spinal cord. Spending at least 60 minutes in conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. The fear of seeing or thinking about an erection is called cephalophobia. Studies found that sex increases your tolerance to pain. If a person speaks little but fast, he is probably hiding something or has a secret. Chocolate contains phenylamine that gives you the same ecstatic feeling people feel when they're sexually aroused by someone. Research found that 3% of people have no sexual fantasies at all. Couples who are very much in love are more likely to make regular eye contact with each other. Being dishonest to someone you are sexually attracted to is very difficult. Kissing is a painkiller, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Our scent is as unique as our fingerprints. This aroma of our body is known as pH. Study found that the majority of women do not enjoy intercourse for the first time. Depressed people tend to speak with longer pauses and fragmented sentences. Most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit up place to have sex. Laughing more can increase pain tolerance, both physical and emotional. People who talk to themselves are more likely to have a high IQ. Psychology says that if you are on a date with someone who is blushing a lot, it means that the person is attracted to you. Menstrual cramps have been found to trigger orgasms in 7% of women. If your mind often wonders, there is an 85% probability that you are unhappy with your life. Women suffering from migraines have a higher sex drive. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during intercourse. Spending a large amount of time with someone literally causes you to pick up their habits. Studies show that 1 out of every 6 Americans aged 14 to 49 has a genital herpes infection. psychological studies. During menstruation, a woman's faces are considered as most beautiful. Ironically, human beings are very capricious. We tend to want what we can't have, then once we have it, we don't want it anymore. Cheaters tend to think everyone cheats, and liars always think everyone lies. Psychology says some people have a natural alarm clock allowing them to wake up whenever they want. This is caused by a natural stress hormone. If a girl touches her lips while talking to you, she's trying to get your attention. When you like a person, you tend to imitate and talk like him or her, trying to be more compatible with that person. 95% of women get horny when men suck their fingers. When you focus on problems, you will have more, but when you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Over 90% of mental health conditions are linked to or worsened by overthinking. If you meet someone, show excitement. This way, the other person will be excited about the meeting too. Once you begin to dislike someone, everything they do tends to annoy you. Never show anyone your weaknesses. Sooner or later, they will use them against you. Psychological studies has proven that falling in love isn't a choice, but staying in love is a choice. If you fall asleep while overthinking, the mind remains active as if you're awake, which is why you tend to wake up tired. Women are less likely to be attracted to men with big bellies. If someone makes eye contact with you for 60% of a conversation, they're bored, 80% if attracted to you, 100% if they are threatening you. Sometimes a person's silence means, I'm tired of explaining to people who will never even care to understand. If you enjoyed watching this video, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 10% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay healthy and safe. Thank you for watching.